Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So recently I have purchased acrylic markers from Amazon, and also I have pasted the link to this product in my description box for you guys. So yeah, let's unbox these markers and see how they are. Now we have different colors here. We have white, we have yellow, we have orange, then red, then lilac, pink, we have blue, we have dark blue, green, dark green, then brown and black. Unlike other markers, they are different to use. We have to shake them well before use and press and hold to activate the pump valve. And yeah, we are good to go. Let's try a different color and follow the same procedure. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.